My name is Katie Klingman, and I'm the owner of Settled in Soundly Professional Organizers. We specialize in crafting thoughtfully organized homes for busy homeowners. When you're building a new home or moving to a new one, you're excited to be back into your space. And so working efficiently is really important to deliver that experience. So you can move in faster and just enjoy your new space, not feel like you're living out of boxes, getting back into your regular routine so that you feel comfortable in your space again. So this client is moving into a new home, custom built, and they just didn't have time to get it all set up themselves. And so they reached out to us, asked if we'd be able to help with our unpacking and organizing services. And so we came out, did a consultation, did a walkthrough with the client, really got to understand her preferences, her kids' preferences, her husband's preferences, their daily routines, and how they were going to use the space. And once we did our walkthrough, our discovery session, then we went back to our desk, mocked up each space in 3D and laid out exactly what was going to go where, what organizing products we think would be helpful, and then presented that to the client, got her feedback, and then sourced everything, brought it with us to site, and unpacked and organized. The movers dropped off the boxes Friday afternoon, and Sunday evening the clients were moving in, settled in soundly.